see. It's a boy.
It's a boy. He has his own spoon. Grandma,
Yeah.
I'm trying to look for Lily's spoon.
I don't know.
It's in your closet.
I'm trying to look for it.
Okay. Well, let's open him. Let's find out what his name is. And you can also choose whatever name you want for him.
You want to call him Alan?
No, Scott. Scott.
I don't think that's a great idea.
Scott.
You don't even know how to spell Scott.
S. I know how to spell Molly. I don't know how to spell Lily.
His name is Marlon Jamie.
Let's call him Scott.
Scott.
Let's pick out a different name.
She picked one out.
No, Scott's not. That's your daddy's name. That's special to your dad.
She's got a doll named Molly.
I know. But that's just the doll's name. We can call him Jamie. We can call him by his middle name. No?
I don't know. His hair kind of looks like Uncle Harris's.
No.
Oh, no, it's not curly. It's straight. I've never seen that like that.
Where's his Claudia?
Well, I thought it was curly.
Where's his karate outfit? Who told you he had a karate outfit?
Daddy.
No, it didn't.
Yes, he did!
No, it didn't.
What's in there?
Blue.
What's that? Yeah, that's a sweater. That's the back. That's the front.
That's it. And here's a shorty.
Yeah.
And where's the sweatsuit?
I don't know. That's his karate outfit. He's a black belt. And that's, wait a minute, you have to look at this. This is his tennis outfit. See? This is, you know how we made, how Lily has a bride dress? This is what he wears. He wears a tuxedo.
You know, maybe they don't want to be married to each other.
And look, here's the pants, and here's the cummerbund,
Like this.
and that's his other suit. See, he's got a linen suit,
A linen suit? He's got a leisure suit?
fake linen.
Oh.
Wait a minute, where's the shirt and tie?
Right here.
Here he's got a shirt and tie. This is his bathing suit. Oh, wait a minute, you gotta show that daddy that. I made that special because of your daddy. Go show him this outfit.
Is that my soccer outfit from when I was 6?
No.
What is it? A sailor outfit?
Nope.
Is it a gym outfit? Oh, a San Diego Chargers sweat outfit. Nice.
It's PJs.
Yeah, those are his PJs.
Look
Oh,
at
no.
Yes.
And look at this. This is a Hawaiian shirt and his cargo shorts. And what's this? Wait, show Daddy that.
Oh, he's got an Arizona blanket? Mom, you need a job. This is getting out of hand. You know?
And the jeans that are at
You're
home.
going to need another outfit.
I'm going to get Lily back into PJs.
Okay. And you know the jeans that are at home for Lily? Those have now become
His jeans?
his jeans because I made her a new
Do you really think I've got it separated like that? It's in a big box all wrinkled and shoved in there.
That's nice. That's inside out, honey. Once in a
Why don't you
while.
go get Lily and dress Lily, and what are you going to call this boy?
I don't know.
Here, let me Scott?
No, squat?
Boy.
Scott. What about Prescott?
No.
How about Benjamin?
I don't have Benjamin.
Huh?
Benjamin. I have a friend named Benjamin.
Do you?
No, you
That's
don't.
your daddy's middle name.
Benjamin?
Yeah.
You are Benjamin?
I am.
Benjamin.
Okay, where's Lily?